By 2050, the global population is estimated to reach 9.7 billion people, 6.5 billion of which will reside in urban areas, especially in the developing world. This rate of urbanization puts tremendous pressure on already limited land, housing, employment, capital, resources, and infrastructure. Once seen as illegal eyesores to be removed or relocated, informal territories are starting to be considered a reality of modern urbanity. It is the primary responsibility of the state to satisfy the basic human rights of the citizens, yet the government may not have the capacity, capability, understanding, or skills to do so. A collaborative approach between the government, private sector, NGOs, specialists, and the community is easily the best means of supporting and uplifting the vulnerable. Architecture and architects naturally have a vital role to play in the sustainable development of the urban environment as a whole, but their skills could be highly effective when applied to informal settlements and urban slums. Aside from their technical knowledge of building and constructions, architects are inherently problem solvers, innovative thinkers, networkers, and are able to consider the broad scheme, or the big picture. One could consider it the responsibility of architects to put their skills to good use, as smart, efficient solutions lead to a happier, healthier, and more resilient population. A few small changes in the lives of many often have a snowball effect and lead to the upliftment of the entire nation. Adam Smith says that no society can surely be flourishing and happy, of which the far greater part of the members are poor and miserable. Qualified specialists, such as architects, have likely experienced a vastly different way of life, and, as such, it is vital to delve into and understand the daily struggles of the individuals, communities, and societies whom we are trying to help. Overcrowding, dangerous land situations, unacceptable housing, unsanitary conditions, crime, a lack of safety, security, and dignity, insufficient or non-existent amenities and services, and being unheard and unnoticed. These are common problems within an urban informal environment globally. Within the South African context, we too face all of those challenges, topped with a long history of oppression, institutionalized discrimination, and the legacy of a system that intentionally perpetuated the cycle of poverty. As with anything involving people, tackling these challenges is bound to be challenging. There are no simple solutions. Every project will have flaws and failings. There will be needs that aren't or cannot be met, and legal, financial, bureaucratic, and human limitations. The goal is to meet as many needs as possible, and as sustainably as possible, to empower, dignify, and provide a sound hope for a better future.